Hey y'all, so today on our Canvas tutorial, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a course homepage. So right now we're at our homepage and I want to show you how to make a homepage, making it with your modules and also with your pages. So let's go to our pages. Over here you can see that you can choose a course homepage. Before we do that, we need to go over here and make sure our pages are set up so we have options. So let's view all pages. All right. So the first things first, whatever page, let's say I wanted my contact information to be my front page. Whatever page you want to be your front page has to be published. If it's unpublished, it's going to have this gray publish button with a little line through the circle. You want to click it and publish it for everyone to see. That also means the students can now view it. So you're going to go back to view all pages. Once the one you want to be your home page is published, you're going to go to the side and you're going to click use as front page. So now it has my front page tag beside of it. And I'm going to go back to my home. You're going to have to go over here, if this is your first time doing it, to choose home page. And then you're going to do pages front page because we just picked it as our front page. And it's the contact information side. We're going to save it. And now every time the students log into this Canvas course, this will be the front page. Let's change it back to the other front page with my buttons on it. So to change it again, all we go is we view pages. We go to the practice homepage is what I have it labeled as. Go to my three dots, use as front page. And now since I've already clicked use as front page on my home screen, it's automatically going to be my front page. Let's say I wanted to do a module and I wanted one of my modules to be the front page, or I wanted all the weekly modules to be the front page. If I have an older group of students, this might be easier for you instead of elementary age. Just make sure that the modules are published, or at least one of them is published so the students can see something on there, right? So then you're going to go back to home page, choose home page, course modules, save it, and then now my modules is my home page.